केरळाचो राज्यपाल आरिफ मोहम्मद खान बिरेस्तारा 6 एप्रिल 2023 दिसा सांजे वेळा 5:30 वरांचेर शारांतल्या गोंयच्या अंतरराष्ट्रीय केंद्रांत भारतीयता ह्या विशयाचेर उलयतलो। ही कार्यावळ सगळ्यां खातीर उक्ती आसतली। पळयात पुराय बातमी। इंटरनॅशनल सेंटर गोंय आनी बिका उत्सव हांणी संयुक्तपणान हे उलोवप घडोवन हाडलां। बिका उत्सव हो संगीत, संस्कृताय, साहित्य आनी राजकीय विचारांचो लोकप्रिय उत्सव आसून तो राजस्थानांतल्या बिकानेर शारांत नामनेचो इम्प्रेसरियो अनिल गुप्तान आयोजीत केल्लो आसा। आयकयात।
Very happy to be here, and he wants to be to come and speak on a topic on which he has his own views, very clear views, and which are of great interest to our country. The thing is, our country is now undergoing a lot of change. It is a developing country economically, technologically, socially, and Indian people are now getting more self-confident. The self-awareness is rising. People are more proud of themselves as being Indians, which is a very good progressive change. So under these circumstances, people are also trying to understand what it means to be an Indian, what it means to be a Bharatiya. Okay, so therefore in this time of self-awareness, definition, the concept of what is Indian is becoming a matter of great interest to everybody. So and his honorable governor has good views, has his own views on the topic of being Bharatiya. So we felt someone who is learned, who is intellectual, who is both a politician and a non-politician. So he has a very comprehensive, very balanced, a very wide perspective on this topic. And we felt, plus he comes from a religion which is not Hindu, so for a person belonging to a minority religion, talking on Bharatiyata makes that whole discourse very, very relevant, significant, and interesting.
We Indians have got our own opinion on every subject, And Bharatiyata also, I think 140 crore people have got their own idea, as to what Bharatiyata is. So I think it is better, that we have more than one person coming of eminence, and speaking on this subject. We may have a couple of more speakers, depending on their availability and time. Maybe not during the rainy season, or maybe one or two who are available in the rainy season. We might have, but we don't know the names as yet, who are the ones.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, श्वेता गांवकर आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार।